The Savings Experiment, presented by Bank of America and Visa, because frugal is the new cool.
Did you know you may be paying for cell phone minutes you don't need? Cell phone minutes don't come cheap, especially if you exceed your monthly limit. Luckily, there's computer software that allows you to speak to your friends as if you were making a phone call. Pretty convenient, right? Well, nowadays, that same software can be downloaded as an app on your smartphone. And as long as you have Wi-Fi access, which is fairly easy to find, you won't be using up any more data. Free apps like Facebook Messenger allow you to make free calls to your Facebook friends in the US. For international calls, you can use the Skype app, just as long as whomever you're calling also has a Skype account. Making free phone calls through these apps means you may be left with enough unused minutes to switch to a cheaper plan. So make use of that smartphone and start saving minutes and money.
For more great videos, visit us at dailyfinance.com/savings-experiment.